Understanding how to monitor your solar system is important for homeowners. In this guide, we'll explore the benefits of monitoring your solar panel system, discuss different monitoring options, and help you make the most of your solar investment. Monitoring your solar panel system is not only possible, but also highly recommended. There are various monitoring services and apps available that allow you to track your system's performance, energy production, and potential issues. Let's dive into the benefits of monitoring your solar panel system. Performance tracking. Monitoring helps you verify that your system is working efficiently, ensuring it generates the expected amount of energy. Early issue detection. By using monitoring tools, you can identify potential issues such as underperforming panels or faulty equipment and address them before they escalate. Optimization. Monitoring allows you to optimize your system's performance by identifying areas where energy production could be improved, like adjusting panel angles or addressing shading issues. Financial benefits. Tracking your energy savings and validating your return on investment is made possible through monitoring. It can also help you when applying for incentives and tax credits. Maintenance planning. Regular monitoring helps you keep track of maintenance needs, ensuring optimal performance and preventing potential issues. Remote access. Many monitoring solutions offer web-based platforms or mobile apps for remote access, allowing you to monitor your system from anywhere at any time. Now let's discuss the two primary options for monitoring your solar panel system: built-in inverter monitoring and third-party monitoring. Built-in inverter monitoring. Integrated into your solar panel system's inverter, this option provides seamless compatibility and streamlined performance tracking. However, it may have limited compatibility with other inverter brands or models and might lack advanced features found in third-party solutions. Third-party monitoring. Developed by independent companies, third-party solutions offer advanced features and customization options. They are compatible with a variety of inverter brands and models, but may come with additional costs. Choosing the right monitoring solution depends on your specific solar panel system, preferences, and monitoring needs. If you prefer a straightforward solution that integrates seamlessly with your system, built-in inverter monitoring may be your best choice. If you seek advanced features and customization options, a third-party monitoring solution might be a better fit. Monitoring your solar panel system is highly recommended to ensure optimum performance and energy production. With a range of monitoring solutions available, you can track your system's performance, identify issues, and optimize your solar investment. Understanding the importance of monitoring and the available options empowers you to make the most of your solar investment and enjoy a sustainable energy source for your home. Discover the power of solar monitoring, reach out to us, and harness your system's full potential.